Hello everyone. In this video, we will study classification of phylum Platyhelminthes into different classes. We will also study characteristics of these different classes based on their habitat, parasitic or free living mode of life, their digestion and reproduction. After studying this topic, you will be able to classify phylum Platyhelminthes up to the class level. You will be able to enlist characteristics of each of the classes and give examples. You can also identify the Platyhelminthes up to class level. Platyhelminthes is classified into four major classes: Turbellaria, Monogynia, Trematoda and Cystoidea. Now let us study each of these classes in detail. Members of the class Turbellaria are free living. Mostly they are bottom dwellers. They are found in freshwater as well as marine. Few of them are terrestrial. The class is named as Turbellaria because the beating of the cilia of the animals cause turbulence in the water. They have incomplete type of digestive system which is either branched, unbranched or lobed. Turbellarian pharynx functions as an ingestive organ like mouth. Most of them are carnivorous, some are herbivorous. They reproduce by sexual mode of reproduction. Mostly they are monoecious, that means male as well as female gonads are present in the same individual. They can also multiply by asexual mode of reproduction, which is transverse fission. They show ladder-like nervous system just like other Platyhelminthes. Examples of class Turbellaria are Planaria and carpetworm. Next class of phylum Platyhelminthes is class Monogynia. They are named as Monogynia because they show only one generation in their life cycle. Most of them are ectoparasite to freshwater and marine fishes. To facilitate attachment to the host, they have a large organ on the posterior side which is known as opisthopter. Class Trematoda. They are parasitic. Their size varies from less than 1 mm to up to 6 cm. Adult flukes are parasites of vertebrates, whereas immature stages may be found in vertebrates or invertebrates. Sometimes they are also found as encysted on plants. They feed on host cells and cell fragments and absorb nutrients directly from the host. Example of class Trematoda are flukes. Class Cystoidea. This is a most highly specialized class of flatworms. All the members of class Cystoidea are endoparasites. Usually they reside in the vertebrate digestive system. Color varies from white with shades of yellow or grey. Sometimes it is transparent or semi-transparent. Adult tapeworms range from 1 mm to up to 25 meters in length. Tapeworms lack a mouth or digestive tract in all their life cycle stages. They absorb nutrients directly from the host. Most adult tapeworms consist of a long series of repeating units called proglottids. Each proglottid contains one or two complete sets of reproductive structures. They have complicated life cycle. As all the members of class Cystoidea are endoparasites, they also show different morphological as well as physiological adaptations for the parasitic life.